Good afternoon. Now we're going to talk about the Top Scholar Project. The Top Scholar Project can be found on Mrs. Apple's webpage. You can reach that through the Ridgeview website. If you click on World Cultures Information, you can pull up a calendar to tell you what's going on in class for the week. We'll be working on the Top Scholar Project for a week in school. The project is not due till the 28th of October. Now, if you'd like to find out about some of the papers that have to go with the Top Scholar Project, they're easily accessed if you go to Order in the Class. At the bottom, you will see tons of pages and references and resources for the Top Scholar Project, including a hint page where if you can't find the information, I'll guide you to where you need to go. The Top Scholar Project for Latin America. You've been selected as a Top Scholar in World Cultures. As a Top Scholar, you have a fantastic opportunity to attend a school in Latin America. The Top Scholar program has given you the choice between two countries for your studies abroad. Now you have to pick. The product, in order to make a wise and informed decision, you will be compiling a comparison booklet on your two countries. From your research discoveries, you will complete an application to the Top Scholar program, explaining your decision. For this project, you will need a report cover or folder with PRADs. An example of a report cover is shown here. Does not need to be anything too fancy. Folder with PRADs will work just fine. Alright, what you will need, your requirements. You need a cover page, neatly decorated with both the name of country A and country B, and a full heading. You'll need a page 2 with a map, page 3 with a fact sheet, page 4 with another map, page 5, the other fact sheet, page 6, comparison graphs, page 7, spider web chart, page 8, economically speaking, page 9 through 10 is the actual application. You can find a completed agenda, daily agenda, on Mrs. Apple's website. Has the students doing different activities every day of the week according to what needs to be completed to get their Top Scholar project finished and on time. An example of a cover page would look something like this. Nothing too fancy, just the names of the two countries, needs to be decorated, and a full heading, which would be your first and last name, the class, World Cultures, your class period, and the date. Next, you'll have to do a map. The maps have already been printed out and will be handed to the students on Thursday to work on them in class. They will also have the opportunity to work out of an atlas to help them figure out their natural resources and physical features. They need to label the capital city, 2 natural resources, and 3 physical features. They will also need to color their map. The next page is the fact sheet. This is accessed on the website as well. The students have had access to this all week and have been able to fill it in by typing in each box. After your maps and fact sheet for both countries, on Wednesday, the students printed out a comparison graph comparing their two countries, with the United States and Mexico. On Friday, using this information from the graph, they are to answer these questions. This can also be accessed on the website. Students on Friday will have the opportunity to fill in the boxes with their answers. The next page is the spider web. This is where students will fill in the natural resources from each country. Then they will answer 2 questions, again filling in the boxes provided. Economically speaking, there's a chart they will fill out. Using information off their fact sheet, they will copy and paste information. They will also have some questions to answer. And the final 2 pages are the actual Top Scholar Program application. They will need to fill this out completely and write their answers in complete sentences. This can be either typed or written. It is up to them. That completes the Top Scholar project. Again, it's due October 28th. Good luck.